Hey guys, Dan the Man here, and today I've got an unboxing for you guys. Here we have the Samsung Watch 6 Classic. This is the 47 millimeter version of it. It says it's made in Vietnam. It's a pretty good watch. It's gonna cost you about 150 bucks now on sale. So it's the first time we're opening this thing. Up, I'm gonna open the other side as well. Okay, perfect. So this thing has got about like 16 gigabytes of internal storage, and it's the black edition of it. It's a pretty good watch for the price these days. I would prefer this over the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So you get a bunch of stuff in there. Let me see what we get in here. You get the charger, the magnetic charger. The good thing about this thing over the Galaxy 7 watch is that you can actually wirelessly charge this thing using your Samsung phone. So here is the watch in its entire glory. It's got a nice looking silicone or leather like band, which is pretty good. And it's got the watch, the sensors in there, the nice beautiful screen, and this rotating thing which you can use to navigate around the menu. So let's have this switched on. Okay, perfect. This is switched on now. It took me a while to go around it. So you can always use a different strap if you want to, but this thing looks nice and classic. I'm gonna get different colors of straps for it. I just like the black color. It also comes in white. This watch has been around in the market for, I would say, 9 months or 12 months depending on the country you're in, but it's a pretty good watch. It's got a large display. It's got a good stainless steel body. It's got some weight to it, but it's okay. It's comfortable. It's a nice watch to have for basically everything you want to do. You know, like let's say answering calls or quickly replying to a text message or handling some tasks or let's say even listening to some things on your phone in this thing. It's got a beautiful AMOLED screen. I'm gonna try to change the language first. Okay, as you can see, we got plenty of languages in here. So I'm just looking for the language that is English, regardless of it being American English, British English, or English New Zealand. Not sure how that's gonna sound exactly. Australia, I'm being a little bit picky at this point. Okay, let's try English United Kingdom. No United States. Okay, we've got United States here. Perfect. So, all right, perfect. So we're done with this. Get started in Galaxy Wear app in your phone. So I've got to download the Galaxy Wear app apparently to be able to use this from my phone. So this is a good watch. It's a great watch. I would still recommend you to get it if you can get it for about $150 or so in the market. It's a great watch to get. Especially it's got this rotating thing that you can use for the menu. It's very classic. It sounds good. It also feels good. It also vibrates a little bit as you do it. So it's got a nice click to it. Actually, nothing else in the box from what I can see. You know, just the charger. You can also charge your Samsung phone. Let's say this is your S24, S23, or whatever. It's got wireless charging, and you're charging that phone, and you put this in the back of your phone, and it starts charging, which is a fantastic feature in my opinion. So you don't really have to carry this thing around all the time with you. So that's pretty much about it when it comes to the unboxing. If there is anything that I can help you guys with, do let me know, and I'll probably post a review or a follow-up thing after a while. And there are plenty of reviews of this watch already, but you could have my perspective of it, you know, if you wanted to. So anyways, guys, wishing you an amazing day, evening, morning, or whatever the time is when you're watching this video. See ya.